Welcome to Doony Kids.
Hello. Today we will learn making sentences by using am, is, are. Hello. My name is Rinky. I am a student of class 1. Hello, my name is Rinky. I am a student of class 1. Hi, my name is Rahul. Rinky and I are in the same class. Hi, my name is Rahul. Rinky and I are in the same class. We are learning the use of am, is, and are. We use am with I. Example: I am a boy. I am a boy. I am walking. We use am with I. Remember, children, we use is when we talk about one person, animal, or thing. We use is when we talk about one person, animal, or thing. Example: Sheila is eating. Sheila is a one person. So here we can use is. Sheila is eating. The baby is dancing. We use are when we talk about more than one person, animal, or thing. Remember, children, we use are when we talk about more than one person, animal, or thing. Example: we are eating. The children are enjoying Holi. Here more than one persons are involved. That's why we use are. We are eating and the children are enjoying Holi. Fill in the blanks. I blank very tired. Which one will be in the blank? We know, children, we use am with I. So I am very tired. Me and my friends blank playing. Here more than one persons are involved. Me and my friends. So the answer will be are. Me and my friends are playing. We blank best friends. We are best friends. The dog blank playing with a ball. The dog is playing with a ball. We blank enjoying the picnic today. The answer will be are. We are enjoying the picnic today. My father blank going to office. My father is a single person, so the answer will be is. My father is going to office. They blank gossiping. They are gossiping. I blank drinking hot milk. I am drinking hot milk. The boy blank writing a letter. The boy is writing a letter. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.